What's up everybody, welcome back to Toge Lab. Today we're going to be installing the MTEC Industries clutch spring on the 2023 BRZ. So the first step we need to do is get under the car and remove the C-clip holding the clutch pedal to the clutch spring. You can either use some pliers like I am here or use a flathead screwdriver to push the C-clip off of the pin. Once the C-clip is removed, then we can move on to removing the pin. Note that there's quite a bit of tension here, so you're going to have to use a bit of force to pull the pin out. I use the pliers to push the pin off and out to the other side while wiggling the pedal. This way it gives it a bit of room to move and pop out of place. Due to the lack of space, I wasn't able to record the entire install. But here are some shots of after the install. Hopefully this helps the next person. Above the throttle pedal, you'll see this assembly. This connects the clutch pedal to the clutch master. What you need to do here is to remove that cotter pin and the white pin holding this together. Once that's removed, all of the pressure on the pedal will be alleviated and removing the OEM clutch spring will be a breeze. Once you have that removed, you can go ahead and replace it with the new stiffer spring. Once the clutch master is disconnected, another tip here is to push down the clutch pedal. The clutch pedal should stay down onto the floor, and this removes all the tension on the spring. With that, this concludes our install video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.